Alright then, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We're checking out Dogecoin on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Dogecoin here having a pump today. Bitcoin is at all-time highs. As you can see, we've come up and made 125.8k all-time high for Bitcoin, getting a little bit of a rejection as you would expect, people taking profits at that high. But you can see Dogecoin obviously reacting here, having a pretty decent move back to the upside. Over the past few days, altcoins have been kind of choppy and actually retracing, and you can see Dogecoin here has picked up with Bitcoin picking up as well. With Bitcoin at all-time highs, you would expect altcoins to continue to the upside, to be honest. Dogecoin here looking like it's going to close above this big daily fair value gap. If that's the case, I think that would be very bullish and signal that we're going to get at least back up to this 30 cent, 31 cent area. I mean, to be honest, Dogecoin overall has been looking like it's been threatening to break up towards that 50 cent area and then towards the all-time highs for essentially a long time here. Despite the fact that a lot of altcoins have got the same idea of the Trump pump followed by the tariff dump, Dogecoin has remained quite bullish, and the overall structure of Dogecoin looking very, very bullish in general. If you look at the chart here, let me just zoom in. You can see here, in my opinion, this is a very bullish looking chart, making higher highs and higher lows. Even with this big prolonged range that we've been in this year, we have slowly been grinding to the highs here, and I would expect something like this for Dogecoin now, where we start to move through these levels of resistance and to a new all-time high. Bitcoin's at all-time highs and everything else looking like it wants to start pushing up. It's going to be interesting to see if the altcoin basket here can push and make a new all-time high. That would be good bullish confirmation as well. Ethereum here looking like it wants to break out to new all-time highs as well. We've got this final kind of resistance area for Ethereum that we're here now at. I think if Ethereum could break to new all-time highs, that will lead the altcoin basket up as well, and in turn we would potentially see Dogecoin moving up as well. But as always, this all just depends on what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's had an exceptional week of around 16k in gains. What was it, around 15 or 16%? 15% gains for Bitcoin in the past week, which is obviously really, really good. Dogecoin from the low to the current price, around 20% up on its particular price and chart. But as you can see, still looking quite bearish in comparison to Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin is way up at its all-time highs, and Dogecoin yet to get back there. But I really feel like this is looking like it's going to start moving up in a big way soon. Something like this looks pretty inevitable, to be honest. I think that $1 to $2 area for Dogecoin looking very, very possible and even likely at this point. I've been saying this for literally years and years and years, ever since we've got Dogecoin forming this really nice obvious bear market range. You've got your first wave, your second wave, your third wave, your fourth wave, and then that fifth wave up to all-time highs is definitely on the cards. Bitcoin's pumping up to new all-time highs. We're in October, where altcoins and the crypto space in general always pump. I think the stars are potentially aligning for a good move here. Let's see how far we can get, but as always, it will depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going to start rejecting the all-time high and coming back down, altcoins are going to continue doing this for a while until we can get a good altcoin season coming in. But really, we should be getting that soon. Bitcoin's at all-time highs. Hopefully, we can finally get that capital rotation that we want into altcoins and get a proper move for them. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.